We have already filled the 2 rear battery boxes. And before we fill the front one, we have to put on this reinforcement piece. It's really important for the structural integrity. So at the moment this is quite flexible still, but when this thing is on, it's 100% stiff and it won't move a millimeter. Without this one, it would shake apart.
How do you come up with the name Terran?
There is a language spoken only in Switzerland, which is Romanic, and in Romanic it's the same word as terrain, as the ground, soil.
And it somehow makes sense.
Yeah, that's what it's intended for, yeah.
You always do it with the right torque?
Yeah, everything that is structural relevant, it's important, yeah. Now, this is completely stiff. As you can see, it's not moving a millimeter. It's all due to this piece. So we have a battery capacity of total 90 kilowatt hours. There is 9 blocks like this, with each 10 kilowatt hours. Each block has 100 volts, and we have 3 blocks in series, and then 3 times 3 blocks in parallel. So the system voltage is 300 volts. So the total thing weighs around 450 kilos, spread out to 4 boxes.